Hello and welcome in beautiful Sri Lanka. My name is Tomek Malek, I'm a bartender from the Roots Cocktail Bar, and today I would like to show you how to prepare a frozen cocktail with Dilmah, Elixir of a Ceylon tea, black tea with mango flavor. Let's get it started. First of all, we prepare our blender and chill the glass. We start from a rum. $20 milliliters of lime juice. We have 15 milliliters of cinnamon syrup, 50 milliliters of coconut puree. Here we go. And 20 milliliters of Dilmah Elixir of a Ceylon tea, black tea with mango. We add half of the fresh mango, large scoop of ice. And blend it for about 20-30 seconds. Our cocktail is already blended. Lovely. We garnish it with a couple slices of coconut, cinnamon stick, and we can add a straw. Here we go. Our mango tea colada is ready. Give it a try.